See, now next type is stationary waves in organ pipes or air columns. So an organ pipe is the simplest musical instrument in which sound is produced by setting an air column into vibrations. As you can see, M represents the mouth. If you blow air from mouth, due to the presence of this surface, which is S here, okay, there is air column created in which vibrations are created. Fine. Due to these vibrations, sound is produced. Okay, so there are two types of organ pipes: open organ pipe and closed organ pipe. Open organ pipe is open from both the ends, whereas the closed organ pipe is closed at only one end. Fine. Now we will look at the different modes of vibrations of an open organ pipe. As you can see here, we have taken an open organ pipe whose both ends are open, and the waves, if you blow the air, then as you have seen that air column is created, vibrations are created. Fine. So if you blow the air, the waves are produced, and these waves are reflected from these ends, okay, but without any change of their type. Fine. And these particles will continue to move in the same direction even after the reflection of these waves. So as you can see that at both the ends there will be maximum displacement, hence antinodes will be produced here, whereas at the middle of these segment a node is present where displacement is 0. Fine. So now we will study different modes of vibrations for an open organ pipe. As you have seen this case, and you can see that at the ends antinodes are formed and only one node is formed at the middle. Fine. So we will first discuss the first mode of vibrations. It will be the simplest mode of vibration. There will be one node at the middle and two antinodes at the end of the pipe. Now what about the length? As we know that distance between an antinode and a node will be lambda by 4, and there are two antinode to node and then node and antinode. So there are the total length is L. This can be written in terms of lambda as equal to 2 times of, because antinode and node and their distance is lambda by 4. So this 2 are present here. So 2 times of lambda by 4. This gives you lambda by 2. From here you will derive that lambda is equal to 2 times of L. Fine. So this length is total 2L. Sorry, the wavelength is 2 times of the total length of this organ pipe. Fine. Now we will find the frequency of vibration. It will be equal to V by lambda, as we have done in the previous case in case of a string. So we know that we have got lambda 1 equals to 2L, and in this case, as we are talking about sound produced, and we know that the velocity of sound is given by under root of gamma P by rho, where P is the pressure and rho is the density. Fine. So this will give you 1 by 2L under root gamma P by rho, and let us say this is equal to nu. Fine. Now this frequency, okay, is known as fundamental frequency or first harmonic. Fine. Now for the second mode of vibration, as you can see this figure, now what we have done, you can see again antinodes are formed at open ends, and these are separated by 2 nodes and 1 antinode. Okay, this is an antinode. Okay, so in case of second mode of vibration, 2 nodes are formed whereas 3 antinodes are formed. Fine. And these 2 nodes are separated by 1 antinode. So what will be the total length? As we know that the distance between antinode and node is lambda by 4, and there are total 4 such repetitions: antinode to node, node, antinode, antinode, node, and node, antinode. Fine. So we can write L is equals to 4 times of lambda by 4. We will find out lambda from here. Lambda comes out to be L. Fine. Now we will find out the frequency V by lambda, and it is equals to V by L, 1 by L under root of V is gamma P by rho. Now this we had, if it was 2L, we had considered it nu, so this will be equal to 2 nu, and this frequency is known as first overtone or second harmonic. Fine. Now we will discuss third mode of vibration. Third mode of vibration. Now let us see here. As you can see in this case, at the open ends antinodes will be formed. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 antinodes and 3 nodes present. These 3 nodes are each separated by 1 node in the middle. So their total distance will be 6 times. Okay. So this total distance is equals to 6 times of lambda by 4. So from here we get lambda is equals to 2L by 3. Fine. Now we will put this and find the frequency here. V by lambda by 3, lambda 3, we get 3 by 2L under root of gamma P by rho, which gives us equal to 3 nu. So we can say that this frequency is known as second overtone or third harmonic. Hence, we have seen that for various frequency of an organ pipe, the ratio is, if you find the ratio between various frequencies, we'll get 1:2, 2:3, 3:4, and so on. And these are known as, these different frequencies whose ratios we are finding this are known as harmonics. Fine.